Hello there, my name is Plague, and welcome to 3 Minutes with Your Dog. So, if you have a dog in your house, on your sofa, on your bed, in your backyard, it doesn't matter. If you have a dog or a pet in general, be sure to spend some quality time with your pet. They need it, and you need it too. But this is my channel, and bad things happen on my channel, so you guys know this is not gonna be a wholesome game. But, anyways, with that being said, let's jump right in. Interact with the frisbee by pressing E. Okay? I press E. And now I press E again. Yay! Now the dog goes to the frisbee and gets it. Kinda looks like a squirrel, not gonna lie. And that's it. Gameplay. Game of the year right here. Hell yeah. Listen, I know this dog about to be like demonic or something. I just know it. Yay, just like try to hit the blue area. All right? It's like something like that. Not quite. Not quite. All right, man, I get it. Just Yep, there we go. Yay. All right. Let me just and boom. Perfect. Beautiful. Professional frisbee thrower right here. No, too short. Yeah. Yay. All right, now let me just do this and boom. Oh, good. Another dog. Now we have 2 dogs. Wait, you look never mind. I thought you looked weird, but no, you don't. Sorry about that, man. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yay! Boom! Why did that scare me so much? Why? Why did it scare me so much? Oh my god. It wasn't even that good of a jump scare. And I'm just behind. I'm just easily startled. Oh, good. Hold Q to turn around, but I don't want to turn around. I just want to keep on playing frisbee. I don't want to turn around. I don't want to turn around. All right, let's do it. Okay. Okay, I know. Okay. Everything seems okay. Never mind. Ooh. Is that a dog walking a man? Okay, man. We're getting into some weird, unwanted territory. And they're gone. Great. Oh, what? Dog food. A walking bag of dog food. The scarecrow moved. Hey, dog food guy. I can't seem to hit this. I'm so trash. Boom. Finally. And it's gone again. Because everything disappears in this world. Boom! This scarecrow is walking. He do be what? This game is so dumb, and I'm getting scared. It's so dumb, and I'm getting just startled non-stop. Gimme. Right, boom and boom. There we go. Thank you, sir. Dog, I mean. Sorry. You need a name. How about I think I'm gonna call you Tom. Yeah, Tom. Oh my god. Okay. Nom. Tom, if this is your fault, I'm gonna abandon you. Yeah, I said it. Yeah, I said it. Oh, I'm sorry for wanting to abandon a cursed dog. Also, there's no circle. Oh my god. Oh. That was the cheapest jump scare I've ever seen in my life. And I got so startled. Why? That's an AI image. I know an AI image when I see one. Anyways, that was the cheapest jump scare. And I got startled. Why? 3 minutes with your dog. Was that really 3 minutes? If it was, holy crap, this video is short. Alright, so that was 3 minutes with your dog. Pretty simple, pretty repetitive, and I don't know if it was 3 minutes. Probably not. Probably like 5 minutes or something, because I missed a couple shots. But we don't talk about that. We talk about dogs here, and that dog is terrifying. Yeah, I didn't realize how uncanny it is. Kind of looks like a weird dog squirrel hybrid. The squirt dog. Anyways, this game was, pretty simple, I guess. Pretty repetitive, as I said. And I got startled by cheap jump scares, and I don't even know how, but it happened. Anyways, with that being said, thank you all for watching. Subscribe for more content. Like the video if you enjoyed, dislike it if you didn't, and comment if you have something to say. I'll see you next time. Have a good one.